Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on Android. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, launch the Messenger app on your device and then make sure they are logged into your account. Now to log out from the Messenger, you will see three-line icon from the upper right corner. Tap on there, a dialog box will pop up, but here you will not be able to see any option that says log out. So Messenger doesn't have a direct option to simply log out, but there are other ways as well. For that, tap on the gear icon you will see near your profile name, and on here scroll down. On account section, tap on account setting. You will land on this interface. Now again scroll down and tap on security and login at security section. Tap on there, and in here at the very top you will be able to see where you are logged in on Messenger. Now again tap on see more. Once you tap on see more, there at the very bottom of your screen you will see log out of all sessions. Tap on there, and once you tap on log out, you will be logged out of Facebook Messenger. So this way you can log out of Messenger, but there is an alternative way as well. If you want to log out, you can simply uninstall the Messenger app again, and to install that again, once you uninstall the Messenger app, you will be logged out of your account, and the next time you try to install and log into your account, you will be required to provide your login credentials. So that is how you can simply log out of the Messenger on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.